Regarding specific adaptations in this lesson, the use of technology in reading skills development, I'm going to discuss how these adaptations help to support English language learner development in the target language. So this lesson is presented mainly through a PowerPoint presentation where information is given on various programs that will aid in reading skills development. The PowerPoint provides information with visuals explaining the use of technology in developing reading skills for language learners. The visuals model good instructional practices which benefit English language learners in their language acquisition process. Modeling these activities for language learners ensures that the learners are able to create and access activities on their own that are beneficial to their second language acquisition. Providing English language learners with another mode of language practice via the use of technology allows them more access to tools that will aid in their development of the target language. There are a lot of activities here that do provide for peer-on-peer support, and I believe that creating activities and sharing them with fellow language learning classmates helps in this language acquisition process, just like Gibbons states, that we're more likely to practice our second language with someone we know well, such as a peer. And this practice is good because it's continuing to develop skills that are necessary to acquire the target language. Directly quoting Gibbons, if we're trying to use a language that we don't know very well, it's usually easier to talk to people we know well and with whom we are at ease than to converse more formally with a stranger. So having these activities, encouraging peer-on-peer support and interaction is a positive and a really beneficial adaptation to developing reading skills and continuing with the language acquisition process of our learners.